Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on Temu. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Temu and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.